A court just delivered a shock ruling that could completely change the presidency. A president cannot just create giant taxes on other countries. And today, we're breaking down what this means for the White House and for your money. What just happened? Basically, a federal court said using emergency powers to create massive tariffs was totally illegal. The judges were clear. Creating taxes is Congress's job, not the president's. Right now, the tariffs are still here, but this whole thing is rocketing to the Supreme Court, and the world is watching. Why this is a big stinking deal. So, why is this an earth-shattering deal? First, this is the biggest legal smackdown on a president's economic power in nearly 100 years. Second, the government was counting on this tariff money to pay for huge tax cuts. Without that cash, the whole plan could just collapse. And third, this is already hitting your wallet. Inflation is up, costing the average family an extra $2,400. Meet the people behind the numbers. And these aren't just charts, they're real people. Think of a business owner in Michigan now paying triple for parts, or a farmer in Iowa who can't sell his crops to his biggest buyer anymore. And there are thousands of stories just like theirs. What happens now? So, what happens next? Option 1. The White House takes this to the Supreme Court and prays for a win. Option 2. They try to cut a deal with a completely divided Congress. If they fail, the economy could get worse, creating a massive fight in the 2026 midterm elections. The stakes are insane. So there you have it. A court just drew a massive line in the sand over presidential power. How this ends will affect your paycheck, our economy, and the next election. You are not going to want to miss this.